What's up everybody, welcome back to another video within the Generative AI tool series, and in this video I've brought you a brand new tool with a huge potential. So hear me out. So what is the biggest problem of a software engineer in 2024, or emerging into 2025, or the problem of an AI engineer or a generative AI engineer? The problem is pretty much clear. Keeping up with the news, keeping up with the trends, keeping up with the tools, a lot of different functionality provided by different companies like OpenAI, Llama, Anthropic is scattered. Getting into those mix of problems can be a bit exhausting. So what if you could save money? What if you could have all those tools in one place and you don't have to go elsewhere, and you can still use the best of those tools within a platform? Sold? Okay, so that tool, as you guys can see, is NinjaTools.ai, and as it states, so you can save like over $600 per year instead of just buying Claude subscription or OpenAI subscription. And if you've been following the 12 days of OpenAI, you might know there have been like huge changes, and it would only benefit you if you're like a plus user or a pro user. So again, the features are scattered and not everything is like in one place. So in this particular, and I've sort of played around with this tool and I really liked it, and I would love to give you a tour. So okay, so let's start. And I'm already signed up, so if you actually land up here, also just to highlight, there's a launch discount. So it's a pretty new tool and it's for limited time only. So if you're watching this video, like within a couple of days, you can use this token and you can receive a 20% discount. Just in terms of pricing, just gonna give you like a quick overview. $11 per month, 1,000 AI powered messages. You can generate images over here. You can generate music over here. I'll give you a walkthrough of it. And access to all AI models. This is the best feature, at least for me, because I have to review different models whenever they pop up. So beforehand, I was relying on Versal's Playground. And if you watch my previous videos where I compared the models with each other, so this is my go-to tool, because it still has a lot of models with paid feature. For example, some of the models are only accessible as a pro user, but most of the basic ones, since I'm using the basic feature of Versal, so I don't have access to all of them. So yeah, that's like just like a little bit of intro. Okay, let's get started. So this is their playground. And this is where you can access, different models. So as you can see, I'm a free user. I haven't even, upgraded to Personal Pro. And I have access to ChatGPT 4.0, 4.0 Mini, 4 Turbo, Claude 3 Opus. It's quite expensive. Mistral Large, Llama 3.1. And mostly, the most of the popular ones are present over here. And so whenever I'm going ahead in terms of, reviewing a particular model, so this is the kind of, setting I like, where I can compare one model against each other. Although it's not very, scientifically correct or theoretically correct, because obviously every model comes up with their own feature set, like, their output token speed and, different other metrics, which are, which you can even, compare in terms of, the leaderboard and stuff. But this is just whenever a new model comes in, if it's a small model, I would definitely put up, the other small models and just gain a bit of a perspective of how it performs. Just, like the human judgment, the human perspective of it. So for example, if I go ahead and type like, hey, can you generate a coin change problem solution in Python using dynamic programming? And there we go. So let's wait for a while and boom, there we go. Perfect. It's just like, and again, you guys can feel the difference. So again, Gemini 1.5 Flash has the highest token uh, output token per second. So it's obviously latency wise, it's more equipped to actually answer you faster. But this is just for demonstration, like how this works. So we have a playground and we also have AI art. So I can describe some stuff here. So this is like a sample prompt. And whoa, so it's like portrait painting of a futuristic rugged email. Okay, this was generated previously. Let's go ahead and um, let's do some like generate a llama in a cyberpunk setting. Okay, I need square, and this would do. Let's see, creating a masterpiece. Nice. Okay, that was good. Oh, I like it. I like it. I'll just export it. Probably use it for some kind of a thumbnail or something. Cool. So that's playground. That's AI art. Let's go ahead and see music. So we have a couple of settings here. Stereo melody large, stereo large. I don't know much about music, so if you guys do, I hope this is something for you. And duration 8 seconds, temperature. Oh, I know temperature. I know top B. I know top K. Yeah. So what would I like to do? Mission Impossible theme in jazz. I'm old school. Let's see. Let's turn on the music so you guys can hear it. Hear it right. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, somewhat. Maybe it was just 8 seconds, so I think it got some part of it right. All right, moving forward, we have prompt library, which is more like, I think most of the different AI tools have it now. Like they help you compose your prompt, or they help you realign or, edit your prompt. So we have compose, create new content with AI assistants, reply assistant, get help crafting, the perfect response for any situation. And we have grammar check, which is kind of cool. So in terms of, tone adjustment, text naturalizer, conclusion writer. So we have got like video content. So this is like a fun thing for me. Instagram caption writer, LinkedIn post writer. So creative professional. Okay, let's type something about can you generate a post on how AI will not take over the world? I would love to revisit this post after a few years. Oh, nice. That was quick. Perfect. Oh, it hashtagged it. Perfect. I can just copy it, format it, and let's see if I enhance it. Okay, so I think this is just like rephrasing it. So this is pretty cool. You have shortcuts available. You don't have to do anything special within your prompt. You just have to come here and, just pick one and start writing. So that's the beauty of it. All right, so the next tool is Chat with PDF, which is like a basic version of RAG. You go ahead and choose a particular PDF, and you can ask, questions and stuff. Can you generate a summary? So this happens to be my resume. Let's see if it goes through it. So I think this is pretty neat. Cool. Perfect. So that's nice. So it generated, gathered up the technical details and stuff. That's pretty neat. So although this particular tool is available within OpenAI as well, you can go ahead and create an assistant through your files into their vector DB, and then you can generate an assistant along with a system prompt. But that's the thing. I didn't have to write anything. I just came in, I threw in my PDF, and I started question and answering it. And I know this would not be perfect, but for a layman or a beginner, I think this is a pretty good tool where you don't have to worry about knowing uh, different terminologies, worry about what a temperature is, what top P, top K, what is a vector database. So all those kind of technical details. So I think for starters, or for people who just want to enhance their productivity, it's a great tool. All right, the next tool is even more interesting. So like I was saying, enhancement of productivity. So having a tool like Chat with YouTube, where you just grab a link, throw the link here, load the video. You don't have to download the video. You don't have to go ahead and provide the video or generate embeddings of those videos and then, start your processing over it. You don't have to do any of it. Just grab the link, throw the link here, and start asking questions. So let's go ahead, since we have a YouTube channel, let's go ahead and pick our last video, which was I don't wanna really, I just want to choose a small video. So maybe we can do search wars. And all right, and let's go here, paste, load the video. So transcript is disabled on this particular video. So I'm pretty sure it works on transcription, but let's wait for a while. If it does work on transcription, then this might not work. But let's see. It's a new tool. Yeah, I'll just let it slide. But yeah, this is actually a good feature which can really complement a lot of work and can really help students, in terms of studying lectures or research elements, whatnot. Alongside with that, we have a bunch of different models that I can just start chatting with, and we have a bunch of them. So 11 more models. So we have Claude-3.5 Sonnet, 1.5 Pro, Llama 3.1, but we're on. Okay, Llama 3.1, 70B and 8B. Okay, so these one are pretty decent, but we have 3.2. We have 3.3 now. So Mistral large, Mistral small. So yeah, that's pretty much the overview of the tool and the utilities that it sort of provides. Some of them are decent, and it's still a tool that's evolving. So just wanted to give you guys a quick overview. Go check it out. It's at a low price, and if you feel like if you're a layman user, if you just want to use a particular tool in terms of productivity, and if it fits your daily requirements, then why not use it? So thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.